This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert word art in Google Slides. You may be familiar with word art from Microsoft Word, and Google Slides has its own version of that. In order to use it, what you need to do is click on Insert, then click on Word Art. When you do this, this box will open in the center of the screen, and you type the text that you want to appear there. So I'm going to type, "This is word art." Then click Enter to save. Once you do that, it will open up this text box with your words. From there is where you can edit the colors and the style. Let's say I want to change this color from gray to purple. You go to the paint or fill color icon and then select your color. So now my text is purple. If you want to edit the borders, then you need to select the border color tool. I'm going to make this black. If you want that border to be thicker, then you need to go to the border weight icon and then change the size of the border. That's way too big for what I'm doing, so I'm going to make it a little smaller. So there we go. I'll put it at 2 times. And then if you want to change the style of the border, click on the border dash. And here you can change how that border appears. You can change the font by going to the font icon, and that changes the font. And you can also make it bold, or you can italicize the words. Unfortunately, at this time, you cannot curve the text like you can in Microsoft Word, but hopefully that will be a feature Google will add in the future. So this video shows you how to use word art in Google Slides. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.